call to action is very simple. Performance Club qualify this month. That is the main call to action, because not only does that get you started for your Performance Club bonus, it gets you started for your PC matching bonuses. It helps you level advance. It also keeps you eligible for the 2026 trip. You know, there's a lot of different steps you have to take for the 2026 hit and win trip for the Dominican Republic, but it all starts with Performance Club. If you don't Performance Club qualify in the month of May, you're out before you're even in. So make sure you Performance Club qualify here in the month of May. And of course, with our extension of the Build Your Dream bonuses, you want to make sure that you are focused on going senior director for the first time, executive director for the first time, helping people on your team do the same. So you go bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and beyond. So many exciting reasons to get into action right now. If you were in Baltimore, you heard me on stage talk about taking action. You know, last year our theme was dream bigger. This year our theme is build bigger. What's the difference? One word: action. So take everything that you've learned over the last week, put it into your goals, write your goals down, and take action in the month of May and make it the best month of your Legal Shield career.